Yo guys, what is happening? Dean here from Marijuana SA, and today I've got quite an exciting video to show you. I have the big ass bucket. Check this thing out. Yeah, but what's inside? We're gonna find out soon. This is gonna be one of the first unboxing videos that we've done in a while. I have in front of me the Umya nutrient bucket. Umya Nutrients is a South African brand of nutrients. I did an interview a little bit earlier in the week with Damien, who owns the company, and he's gifted us this awesome bucket to have a look at what's happening inside. So I'm going to show each of the products and explain to you a little bit about what each one does. Let's have a look. It's time to bust out the bucket. Let's see what's happening inside here. This bucket of Umya Nutrients is available on Marijuana SA's website. The whole bucket goes for 980 Rand and it contains 10 different nutrients. I'm briefly just going to touch on each one, and if you want any more information, please head over to our website so that you can have a look at the more detailed information on each of the products. Cool, so let's get started. First we have the Pot Radix. Pot Radix is a water-soluble supplement which promotes healthy root development and plant growth. So this is to be used in the seedling stage of your grow. Number two, we have the Pot Flora. The Pot Flora is a flowering nutrient and can be used during the blooming stage to help provide those dank nugs. We also have the Pot Grow, which is our vegging nutrient and must be used in the vegetative stage to help promote leaf growth and help healthy stem development. Yeah, awesome, very strong nutrients, 15 to 3 to 15 NPK. So you can see a lot of power is packed into this small little container. Then we have the second last of the small little buckets. We have the Carbon K. The Carbon K is a water-soluble supplement specially developed as a flower enhancer. So when you want to boost that potassium, you've got to get the Carbon K. What else is in the bucket? Next we have our Moss Blend. Yeah, Moss Blend is a specialized blend of beneficial microorganisms. Create a natural pH buffer and make nutrients readily available for uptake. So this is just going to help, like I said, help with the pH and help buffer the substrate. And on we go. Let's see what else is in ye old bucket. We have a NC32, a 32% organic nitrogen boost for vigorous plant growth. So similar to the pot grow, however this is used as a booster and is very concentrated. Next we have the Multi-Culp seaweed. Concentrate consists of 3 types of culp, some very technical looking names over here, and then for indoor outdoor use on flowers, vegetables and ornamentals, stimulates root growth and fruit growth. So another nice sort of additive to add into the regime. Next we have the Kalmag Essential. Kalmag Essential provides calcium, magnesium, zinc and boron and balances cations for increased nutrient uptake. I need to check up my periodic table, but I think I smashed all of those ones. And then finally, so those are sort of the extra additives, and then finally we have the awesome sprays. There's 2 different sprays that I can see in the bucket over here. This is the Hormo Cebus spray, and this is the benefits of the Hormo Cebus are helps with propagation, promotes cell division, stimulates shoot proliferation, activates gene expression. So basically it seems like you'd use this when your plants are in a little bit of shock, maybe on like a nice hot day, or when it's a super hot day, or maybe just after your clones have rooted and you're wanting to give them that little boost to get them going. Comes in a cool spray bottle. Yeah, makes you feel OG when you squirt it on things. And then also the bottle has the milliliters, so you can refill your bottle afterwards and use it for nutrients or whatever. Please upcycle, guys. My pile is getting rather large. And then finally from ye old bucket, we have the Multi-Foliar Spray. The Multi-Foliar Spray contains fulvic and humic acid, amino acids, hormones, cytokinin, sugars, and fatty acids. So a whole lot of great things to be used as a foliar spray. I generally will spray my plants just after the lights have come on or just before the lights go off in the afternoon, depending on the humidity. And once again, awesome container that can be reused and multi-purposed. And then finally we have the bucket. Now what I would use this bucket for is to make some compost teas. These nutrients are, some of them are organic, the others are salt based, and they are all carbon integrated. So if you want any more information, please check out my interview that I did with Damien earlier in the week, and then also check out the website for all of the write-ups on these cool products. This is a locally, proudly South African brand and something that we're proud to stock on the website. And yeah, I hope this unboxing was pretty cool. If you want me to unbox something else, show off one of your products, I'll give an honest review, send them through, I'll take them to the ledge. And besides that, I hope everyone's having a blessed day, and much love from Marijuana SA and from me, Dean. Till next time, check you guys there.